Hi friends, welcome to South Indian cuisine. Today now I am going to show you a recipe, very traditional and healthy and Andhra special, that is ulava charu, that is horse gram soup or kollu rasam. For that the main ingredient, these are horse gram seeds, turmeric powder, salt according to taste, red chili powder. This is tamarind pulp and some tempering seeds, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, fennel seeds and fenugreek seeds, and some curry leaves and coriander leaves, onions, garlic, hing, that is asafoetida, and some green chilies and red chilies, and next oil around 1 tablespoon. With these ingredients, now I am going to make a tasty and healthier Andhra special ulava charu. In the process, first take these horse gram seeds or ulavalu and soak these for overnight, and then cook these in a pressure cooker for around 4 to 5 whistles, and then separate the water and seeds like this. For this recipe, the main ingredient is this water only. This is the horse gram stock or boiled water of horse gram seeds. This is the main ingredient for this recipe. Now, after making the water of horse gram seeds, now the process: take a clay pot like this. If you don't have, means you can cook any vessel. Into that add these water, that is horse gram water. After adding the horse gram water to it, and now into this add tamarind pulp, and next salt according to taste, and red chili powder, and next turmeric powder, and some green chili pieces, and next onions. Once mix all these. After adding all the ingredients, now finally add some coarsely grinded, means crushed horse gram seeds to it. Around 1 spoon is enough. For this is for thickening only. After adding everything, now mix it once. I added this crushed horse gram seeds for as thickening agent. Now put this pot on stove and cook this for around 30 minutes on a slow flame. Then only you will get nice consistency of ulava charu. So now keep this vessel on stove, and now put the pot on stove and keep the flame on slow only, and now cover this and cook it like this for around 30 to 40 minutes. Now keep a lid and cook it. After boiling this horse gram soup for around 45 to 50 minutes it has taken. Now the soup also become thick. Now it is ready. The final process. Now the tempering. For tempering, put a kadai on stove. Add around 1 tablespoon of oil to it. When the oil gets enough heat, now add these tempering seeds, that is mustard, cumin, fennel and fenugreek seeds. And next a pinch of asafoetida, that is hing, red chilies, and now garlic also, crushed garlic, and some green chilies. Now fry these, and now add some curry leaves. Now the tempering is ready. Now add the ulavacharu to it. After adding the hasgram soup or kollu rasam or ulavacharu, now tasty traditional authentic recipe, that is ulavacharu, is ready now. Now finally add some coriander leaves, and next switch off the stove, and now the tasty and healthy recipe, very traditional Andhra recipe, that is ulavacharu, is ready now. Dear friends, I hope you like this recipe. If you like, please do subscribe my channel and send your tips and suggestions to improve my channel. Thank you. Namaste.